His phone never left his pocket. Nobody broke in, nobody picked a lock, nobody even called him. But one morning his phone went dead. No signal, no calls, no texts. By the time he realized what was happening, his bank account was empty, his email was locked, and his phone number belonged to someone else. This is a SIM swap, and it doesn't require a thief to touch your phone, just your network provider. Here's exactly how it works. Your phone number isn't stored in your phone. It's stored on a tiny chip, your SIM card, registered with your network provider. That provider has a customer service team, and that team has one job: help customers who lose their phone, break their SIM, or need to switch devices. That process is called a SIM transfer, and criminals have figured out how to abuse it. They don't hack your phone. They call your network pretending to be you. They already have your name, your address, maybe your date of birth. That's all available from data breaches you've never heard of. They tell the agent, "I lost my phone. I need my number transferred to this new SIM." The agent, following procedure, doing their job, verifies a few basic details the criminal already has. And just like that, your phone number is transferred to a SIM card the criminal controls. Your phone goes dead. Their phone starts receiving every call and text meant for you, including every one-time passcode your bank sends to verify it's really you. This is where it gets fast. The moment they control your number, they go straight to your email. They click "Forgot password." The reset code goes to your phone number, which is now theirs. Email unlocked. Now they use that email to reset your banking password. Bank unlocked. Every account tied to that phone number or that email address is now open. In some cases, victims have lost everything: savings, investments, crypto, within 40 minutes of the SIM being transferred. And they were sitting right there, phone in hand, watching it go dark, with no idea why. Here's what actually stops this. Step 1. Call your network provider today and add a SIM lock or port freeze. This is a free flag on your account that means no SIM transfer can happen without a PIN or passphrase you set in person. It's not advertised. You have to ask for it specifically. Step 2. Stop using your phone number for two-factor authentication on anything financial. Use an authenticator app instead: Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator. These generate codes on your device, not via text message. A SIM swap can't intercept them. Step 3. Put a different phone number, or no phone number at all, on your bank account. Most banks allow you to remove SMS as a recovery option entirely. If yours doesn't, move your most sensitive accounts behind an authenticator app and treat the SMS fallback as the vulnerability it is. Step 4. Check your credit bureaus. SIM swappers often open new accounts or take loans in your name while they have access. A fraud alert on your credit file makes that significantly harder. The scariest part of a SIM swap isn't the technical complexity. There isn't any. It's the fact that your phone number became the master key to your entire digital life without you ever agreeing to that. One call, one cooperative agent, one data breach you never knew about. That's all it takes. Call your network today, add that PIN lock, switch to an authenticator, and subscribe. Because next week we're breaking down another threat most people don't see coming until it's too late.